There's no doubt that this year has been an unprecedented year to some people all over the world. And there's no doubt that some people won't be getting Christmas cake from their loved ones this year due to pandemic. Mary's Lifestyle always have you in mind. Sharing this tutorial comes from my heart to those who have lost their loved ones during this period of pandemic. My heart goes out to you all, and I pray Christmas brings you all the best, and may the new year be kind to all of you. I love you so much. Stay back and watch the rest of the video as we bake Christmas cake together. With love from Mary's Lifestyle. Cheers! Yeah, before we get into the baking and the cooking, have you subscribed to my channel? If you haven't subscribed, please, okay, let me sit back and wait for you to subscribe. I'm sitting well. Subscribe, I'm waiting. Thank you so much for subscribing. Yeah, thank you. Let me clap for you. Let me clap for you. Subscribing, please continue to watch my channel. Invite your friends to watch, invite your family to watch, like, share and comment. And today's tutorial, you're gonna love it. And please send me a picture of any of my tutorial that you've tried. I will really like to see what you have done. Send me a photo and let's share together. Thank you. Sit back and let's bake. Today we will be baking a Christmas cake. The ingredients are mixed dry fruits, butter, flour, baking powder, sugar, lemon zest, mixed nuts, dates, glacé cherry, eggs, orange zest, mixed spice. We have cinnamon and my vanilla. Then we have brownie just to give that brownie color, and then the cherry brandy. Prepare a clean pot. Add your butter to the pot and stir it. Then add your sugar and continue to stir until the sugar is softened. Then add your dry fruits to it. Keep stirring, and then the dried dates, it's soft already, but you still need to add it to the pot to make it softer. Then the glass. It's now time for us to add the beautiful aroma of brandy. Then cover the pot for a while to simmer and stir it occasionally. While the fruit is still on the stove, we are going to be adding the dry ingredients together. Please kindly subscribe to my channel as you're watching. So add your cinnamon powder to the flour. Then you add your mixed spice. You can get the mixed spice anywhere in the superstore or in the Indian shop as well. They sell it everywhere. Then you add your lemon zest. This will bring the aroma of this Christmas to everywhere in your room. Then you're going to add your orange zest as well, and then the baking powder. This cake is going to be so yum. While that is going on, please kindly subscribe to my channel. This is Christmas. Show me some love, people. Show me some love by subscribing and clicking on the notification bell. Thank you so much for doing that. Yeah, so you add your nuts to the flour mixture. I'm adding a teaspoon of vanilla to the fruit mixture. This mixture is slightly warm. So add your flour and keep folding it in. Then add your egg in bits and fold them in until everything is mixed completely. This cake is the most simplest cake to make. You don't need to know how to bake cake to bake this particular one. It's a cake in a pot. It's actually better to bake your Christmas cake early to enable the flavor of the brandy infuse nicely into your cake for Christmas. Line your cake with a parchment paper, just like I'm doing. You can get the parchment paper ready cut, or you can buy it and trim it to fit your pan. Spoon the cake mixture into your pan. Heat it for the bubble to escape. Bake the cake at 180 degrees for 4 to 5 hours until the toothpick or skewer inserted inside comes out clean. Then sprinkle a bit of brandy on the cake every 3 to 4 days until it's ready to eat. Top it up with apricot jam to give it a nice glazed look. I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Please kindly subscribe to my channel, like, and click on the notification bell so that when next I upload my video, you'll be the first to know. Thank you so much for watching. Have a blessed Christmas. God bless you. Bye.